CompTIA A+, Core 1, 220-1201, Practice Exam. Questions 6 through 10. This video is part of our Practice Exam video series and is filled with questions that closely resemble the real exam. So, are you prepared to test your knowledge? Great, let's begin. Question 6. A user reports that an all-in-one printer produces vertical lines when copying or scanning documents, but printed pages appear normal. Which of the following components is most likely the cause? The answer is C. Document feeder. When vertical lines appear only on copies or scans and not on printed pages, the issue is related to the document feeder or the scanning glass. Dirt, dust, or damage on the narrow glass strip used by the document feeder can create vertical lines during scanning or copying. Because print jobs use a different imaging path, they remain unaffected by this issue. Question 7. A global company must store customer information in specific regions to comply with local privacy laws, but still wants to take advantage of public cloud scalability for general operations. Which of the following is an advantage of using a hybrid cloud model in this situation? The answer is A. Meet data residency requirements. A hybrid cloud model combines public and private cloud environments. This allows organizations to keep sensitive or regulated data on private infrastructure while using public cloud resources for less critical workloads. In this scenario, the hybrid approach enables the company to meet data residency requirements by storing customer information in specific regions while still benefiting from the flexibility and scalability of the public cloud. Question 8. A technician notices that a PC loses its system date and time settings after every power outage. Which of the following should the technician do to resolve the issue? The answer is A. Replace the CMOS battery and test the backup power source. When a computer loses its date and time after power loss, the issue is usually a failed CMOS battery or an unstable backup power source. The CMOS battery maintains BIOS settings, including the system clock, when the system is turned off. Replacing the battery and confirming that the motherboard is receiving stable standby power ensures the system retains its configuration even during power outages. Question 9. A network administrator wants a specific workstation to always receive the same IP address from the DHCP server. Which of the following actions should the technician take? The answer is B. Create a DHCP reservation. A DHCP reservation ensures that a device always receives the same IP address from the DHCP server each time it connects. The reservation is created by linking the device's MAC address to a specific IP address within the DHCP scope. This approach combines the convenience of DHCP with the consistency of a static IP address, making it ideal for printers, servers, or other network devices that need a fixed address. Question 10. A user reports that their smartphone charges intermittently and sometimes does not charge at all, even when using different cables and adapters. Which of the following is the most likely cause of the issue? The answer is D. Dirty or damaged charging port. If a smartphone charges inconsistently, despite using known good cables and adapters, the most likely cause is a dirty or damaged charging port. Dust, lint, or bent contacts inside the port can interrupt the electrical connection between the cable and the device. If encountered, cleaning the port gently with compressed air or replacing the port assembly typically resolves the issue. So, did any of these questions give you a tough time? Don't worry if they did, it's all part of the learning process. Luckily, Certification Cynergy has a wealth of free video content at your disposal. To stay connected with our latest IT learning resources, just give a quick click on the subscribe button. This simple action ensures you're always updated about our newest video releases. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.